Hello students. Today in geography, today we will learn about minerals and power resources. About minerals, we will learn about uses of minerals, types of minerals, and where are minerals found in the world and in India. When we talk about minerals, the common names that come to our mind are silver, gold, iron, aluminium, copper, etc., which we purchase or use in daily life. So, what are mineral resources? A mineral is a naturally occurring substance found in the earth's crust. Minerals have distinct physical properties such as color and hardness, and chemical properties such as solubility. So, mineral is a homogeneous naturally occurring substance with definable internal structure. There are 3000 minerals in the earth. 90% of earth minerals are made up of just 10 minerals. Common minerals, silicates, aluminium, iron, sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. They are found in pure state in ores, which are rocks containing minerals. Ores are classified into low and high grade ores. So, it is now very easy to define a mineral. Mineral is a homogeneous, naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. It is found in varied forms in natural, ranging from the hardest diamond to the softest talc. Minerals are indispensable part of our lives. Life processes can't occur without minerals. The food we eat contains minerals. Car, buses are all manufactured from minerals. We use minerals in our daily life in our kitchen. All plates, glasses, mugs, knives, forks and spoons, they are all made from minerals. Even the salt you eat is very important in our meals. Minerals like hematite, coal, bauxite, mica, quartz, they are all used in transport and technology. They are used in cars, electricity, tire stopping, aeroplane, electronics and computers. Minerals like fluorite, talc, quartz, pumic are used in washing clothes, toothpaste, talcum powder, watches and for scrubbing the floors. Minerals like mica, pyrite, red ochre, soapstone, talc, limestone, china clay, calcite, etc. are used in paper industry. Minerals like china clay, limestone, gypsum, marble, etc. are used in building a house. Limestone is a main mineral to make cement. Gypsum is heated and mixed with water become a solid base. Copper taps are used. Copper is made from copper ore. Marble is used in flooring, etc. Some minerals like gypsum, calcite, sulfur, magnetite, bismuth, mica, etc. are used in health and medicines. Minerals like bauxite, calcite, clay, lignite, gypsum, etc. are used in cement industry. Types of minerals. There are over 4,000 known type of minerals in the world. They are classified broadly into two groups based on their composition. They are metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those minerals which contain some metal in raw form. A metal is a solid material that is typically hard and has good electrical conductivity. For example, iron, bauxite. Metallic minerals may also be of three types: ferrous, non-ferrous and precious. Ferrous metallic minerals are those which contain ferrous or iron like iron ore, manganese and chromites. Iron ore is a backbone of industrial development. A non-ferrous metallic mineral is one which does not contain iron. However, such metallic minerals may contain some other metals like gold, silver, copper or lead. There are two types of non-metallic minerals, organic and inorganic. Non-metallic minerals are those minerals that do not contain any metals or metallic components like limestone, mica and gypsum. Non-metallic minerals are minerals that have no metallic luster and break easily. These are called industrial materials and are typically some form of sediments. They are not malleable. Some examples of non-metallic minerals are talc, dolomite, magnesite, limestone, quartz, mica, clay, silica, gemstones, decorative and dimension stones, etc. Non-metallic resources are not mined to extract a metal or an energy source. They are used for construction materials, for agriculture, for industrial uses, as gemstones, household and business products. What is the difference between metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals? Metallic minerals are minerals that contain metals, their chemical formula. Non-metallic minerals are minerals that do not contain any metal elements in their compounds. Metallic minerals have a shine of their own. Non-metallic minerals do not have a shine of their own. Metallic minerals are associated with igneous rocks. Non-metallic minerals are associated with sedimentary rocks. Metallic minerals are quite ductile. Non-metallic minerals are not ductile and can be broken upon a collision. We know that rocks are composed of minerals. We have learnt about three kinds of rocks: igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. Some minerals are found in all these types of rocks. Metallic minerals are generally found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Some examples of such metallic minerals found around the world are nickel, chromite and platinum in South Africa, copper and nickel deposit in Ontario and iron ore in North Sweden. Fossil fuels like coal and petroleum are also found in sedimentary rocks. Some examples of non-metallic minerals found are phosphate beds in Algeria, limestone deposit in Caucasus region of France, manganese deposit in Georgia and Ukraine. Thank you students for watching the video.